Hello and welcome to my messy world, people. You're confused? Well, look at this mess. I simply forgot to record few parts of my video. I think it's because of the exhaustion, because I have to complete this project really fast, because all of the things were lying around in my room and everything was so messed up. So that's why so I will be going to cover up in between, or I think I am going to make a separate video about it. I have not decided yet, but let's see. So let's begin our video. This was the original product. It was all brown, dirty and chipped off. So we are going to clean it first to begin painting it, and we are not going to straight ahead paint it. We need to prep the wood. For that I am trying the small patch. I am cleaning out the wood area with dry cotton cloth, and afterwards I will be using 1:3 part of thinner, 1 part of thinner and water. So you can clearly see how dirty it was, and as you can see the difference. Now we are going to use the sandpaper. I have these things lying around in my house because we had the renovation recently, so I simply sand all the things which I can found, and you can see the difference. And I use the same thinner and water cloth to wood area after sanding. So I'm going to try the DIY chalk paint which I have made. I have not recorded it, I'm so sorry, but I'm going to show it in my next video. So I have prepped the wood area and I'm going to fill this area with wood filler. I'm going to show this thing ahead in my video, and next I will be painting out this area with the chalk paint which I have made, and it turns out good, so I'm going to use it ahead in the video. I actually have painted the whole thing with the chalk paint I made, and the results are absolutely amazing. Turn around my camera now and I'm gonna start working on it, because मुझे रात होने से पहले इसके insides paint करने हैं, so that मैं जल्दी से काम शुरू कर पाऊँ. See you then. So let's begin on working on our project. I'm really sorry first of all for all the thing is happening with this clip. Let's fill the gaps with the wood filler. I've used Asian Paints wood filler, and I'm smoothing the texture of the filler with using a plate. The smoothing of the surface is very important, and I'm doing it the same with one of the drawers. I have shown you earlier that it was chipped very badly, so I'm smoothing it out so that my paint will look good. And this is how I use the wood filler, and I've tried so hard, even my husband tried so hard to remove these handles, but we were not able to do it because it is a 30-year-old piece of furniture. And the same goes with the doors of the cabinet. And at last I gave up and I started removing the divider of the cabinet, and I cleaned it with using dry and then wet method of cleaning. So this piece of wood is drying out. मैंने इसको हल्का से dampened cloth से clean किया है. So after it will clean out, मैं again ये wood filler use करूँगी, क्योंकि इसके edges बिल्कुल rough हैं. So I'm going to just use it just to take a precautionary measure, and then I'm going to paint it, and let's see. Okay. So we'll be using this Asian Paint wood filler, and I am again working on with layers. The mistake I have done here is मैंने layering में काम नहीं करा, मैंने बहुत thick layers use करी. And I have my roller brush tray, and the consistency of the paint you can see here is very thin. So we will be working in layers, and we will be applying 3 to 4 coats on our surface. Because I have not bought anything, no brush, no roller, so that's why my roller brush was not doing very good, so I switched to a brush. So as you can see, the first coat here, and the door is going to be painted. This is the second coat with the chalk paint and the thin consistency of the paint. The 3 coats, I mean this is the final one, and I am really happy with this. And this is without the primer, and I'm going to fix this area, the little area which you can see. So let's work on this board which we have prepped, and we are going to sand it first, and then we'll going to paint it. I have cleaned it, don't worry, it was not recorded, but I have cleaned it after sanding. So you can see I'm applying the thin coats again, and I will be using the 3 coats again. Let's begin working on our countertop, and I have sanded it after using the wood filler, cleaned, and now I'm using the paint with the same consistency I've showed you. Let's work on the drawer. I am sanding it after using the wood filler, and I am using my roller brush for painting it, but it was not successful, so I switched it to my painting brush, my artist brush, and this was actually helpful. So this is how it looks after the first coat, and I will be using 2 to 3 layers more on it. And as you can see, I have tested this part out with the chalk paint, that is why it was a little darker. And here, I'm sorry for my camera lighting, but I was doing the second coat, and you can see better here now how the second coat and the first coat actually looks like. And here is the final look for the today's video. I will be seeing you next time in the part 2 of this video. Stay tuned to hello beautiful people, I hope you're liking my videos, and I hope that you're liking the content. You can please drop down a comment if you have any ideas, if you have any suggestions. Do like the video, do subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on Instagram as well for daily updates. And I will be seeing you next time on Saturday at 5. Bye.